can see there's a marathon in my hometown, so I'm gonna run a marathon with my brother and parents.
You can see my dad, he's helped stay hydrated. So I was preparing for this marathon from the start of the year, and it was in my home using the app called Rolla. I was running on a treadmill every morning, and Rolla was the sponsor of the whole marathon. This was a nice marathon for our town, since it was a humanitarian marathon and 2,000 people signed up for it. It was very hard to run the marathon, but it's a little bit easier because my brother and a lot of people were there. So I did it. I ran a 4-kilometer marathon in 30 minutes.
I finished the marathon. It was 4 kilometers long, and it's my first marathon I've ever ran.
For the end, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm leaving you with a jump from our most popular old bridge.